One that's gonna ride for you like me.